The 77-cent support level for Nexo USD especially is actually areas of strength for commonly a fundamentally significant way. Nexo USD exchanges close 63 cents, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo explicitly is drifting at $3,183,907, or so they essentially thought. Nexo down roughly 2.16% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues. What generally is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Nexo. Certainly is Nexo a kind of wise venture, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Nexo specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us essentially discuss the all things considered, current economic situation. Most certainly further appearance how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the Nexo specialized examination. Fundamentally let us explicitly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $106,973,065,872, or so they for the most part thought. The sort of all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $25,050,644,957, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%. Which generally shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $106,973,065,872, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM certainly has seen a value diminishing of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, really is up by 1.93 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, which in a real sense shows that yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Nexo specialized examination, essentially let us generally discuss the exceptionally current economic situation. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, sort of let us in every way that really matters, discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in a fundamentally huge way. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is very huge. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a sort of descending heading for pretty present moment, or so they especially thought. Right now, a by and large broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which for the most part shows that Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on in a by and large significant manner. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction essentially are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. By and large further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period, or so they generally thought. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become more dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Pretty further appearance how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%, which basically shows that market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $106,973,065,872, which truly is very huge. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers especially move extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how the 77-cent support level for Nexo USD for the most part is major areas of strength for truly, so they really thought. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The genuinely current Nexo cost certainly is 63 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,183,907 in the sort of beyond 24 hours in a huge manner. As of now, Nexo in a real sense is somewhere near 2.16% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $353,901,580 USD in an extremely enormous manner. Nexo value examination. Nexo cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span, all things considered, made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Nexo value investigation Nexo cost examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath in a sort of large manner. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving especially normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty basic moving in every way that really matters, normal and dramatic moving exceptionally normal to truly break down the future development of the Nexo. So Nexo value examination Nexo cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time period in a real sense made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Nexo value investigation Nexo cost examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time period truly made sense of underneath, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Nexo in a real sense has sort of break all its especially upholds levels, and things truly are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, showing how Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Presently, basically bears most certainly are in charge of the market and effectively fundamentally take Nexo cost beneath the essential help level of 82 cents in a kind of significant manner. RSI inferring union stage while exchanging at 44 and fundamentally is attempting to basically break out of the nonpartisanship zone. So Nexo value investigation Nexo cost examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a day-to-day time span commonly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how Nexo value investigation Nexo cost examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, which explicitly is genuinely huge. While Nexo's Williams %R marker truly is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. The exchange extremely signal generally is conceivable at this reach, showing how we utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving really normal union and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving essentially normal and dramatic moving certainly normal to explicitly dissect the future development of the Nexo. So Nexo value examination Nexo cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside a kind of day-to-day time span generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting how Nexo value examination Nexo cost investigation for the 9th of June 2023 inside an especially everyday time span commonly made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line truly is remaining above of the sort of sign line after a truly sure hybrid. Pretty further appearance how 20